Hi everybody, Dave Larsen again with West USA Realty, here at another pool to talk about a little bit different kind of pool in our series about considerations when looking at pool homes here in Arizona. So this pool here, as you can probably see, is a traditional plaster pool. So this surface here is in pretty good shape actually as a plaster pool goes. There's some leaves and debris in there, which is pretty typical, and against the white background of a plaster pool you see that a little more than you might with Pebble Tech. But the surface itself appears to be in good shape. There's no cracking or significant chipping at this point, so I'd say for a plaster pool this one looks above average. And then this pool actually illustrates a different kind of cleaner than the first pool we looked at. This has a pool vac system in it. You can see it down there in the bottom. It's a little bit stuck, which is common. They sometimes get a little rock or a little bit of debris in them and then just kind of sit there. They're very easy to clean out and get operating again properly, but they do require a little bit of maintenance, maybe more so than the in-surface cleaning like we saw on the first pool. And the other thing that we have here, which we talked about a little bit at the first pool, is this device for cleaning the pool is in the pool. You can take it out fairly easily, but it's in the pool, so if you just want to get in for a quick swim, you might have to swim around it, and that's a little bit more of an inconvenience than having the in-surface cleaner. This pool also has a waterfall feature like the other pool. One thing that this pool has that the other pool didn't have that I think is pretty cool is a spa attached to it. This is a fairly nice upgrade to have with your pool here in Arizona, because assuming that it's heated, it's very easy to heat this spa portion of the pool, have it be separate from the main pool, and then you're only heating up this little bit of water here. So it's a lot more affordable to operate if you want to use it in the winter months as a spa, like a regular hot tub kind of thing. And the other thing this pool has, and this is a little older pool than that first pool that we saw, is a diving board. We all grew up here, or those of us that had some growing up here, mainly had diving board pools. So they were 4 to 5 feet deep in the shallow end here, and then they gradually go down to typically 9 to 10 feet deep here in the deep end. And that's how you can do the diving board that you see here. So this is real typical of a pool from, I think this home dates from the early 1980s. About 1990 or so, they started really going away. You'll still see a few pool homes in homes built after 1990, but for the most part, it's an older pool kind of thing because people just quit using their diving boards as much. So that is kind of the main features and considerations on this kind of pool. Again, if you have any questions on specific things about your pool or homes with pools in Arizona, or you'd like to see some homes with pools, let me know. You can always reach me easiest on my cell phone at 602-430-5755, or just email me at Arizona, all spelled out, Dave, D-A-V-E, Larsen, L-A-R-S-E-N, @gmail.com. Thanks again. I hope that this video was helpful to you in your pool home search or answered some questions. And I'm sure you might have others, so don't hesitate to call or email me with whatever your questions might be. Thanks again. Bye-bye.